Hello students, today we will be taking a look at our solar system. More specifically, I will walk you through this worksheet about the solar system provided by studyladder.com. Using prior knowledge or after watching a video about the solar system made by National Geographic, which is linked in the description box below, try to fill out this worksheet on your own. After you have filled it out as much as you can, come back to this video and we will review the answers together. Are you ready to move on now? I hope you have filled out the answers as much as you can. The first part of the worksheet asks us to label the planets of our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This is the order of the solar system. You can memorize it however you want, but I always found it helpful to use the acronym. My very easy method just speeds up names. Moving on, which planet is the smallest in our solar system? The smallest planet in our solar system is Mercury. Mercury is a little more than 1/3 the width of Earth. If Earth were the size of a nickel, Mercury would be as big as a blueberry. Number 3. Which planet is the largest in our solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet and it is approximately 318 times as massive as Earth. Next, you can answer number 4 and 5 using what we did above in the first question. Which planet orbits closest to the Sun? We already found out before that Mercury is the closest to the Sun. Which planet is the furthest from the Sun? We also already found out that Neptune orbits the furthest from the Sun. Number 6. Which planet is about the same size as Earth? The answer is Venus. With a radius of 6,052 kilometers, Venus is roughly the same size as Earth, just slightly smaller. Number 7. Which planet has only one moon? I really hope you knew the answer to this, because it is Earth. We live on the only planet in the solar system that has one moon. Number 8. Which planets have the most moons? The two planets that have the most moons are Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter used to be known as the planet with the greatest number of moons, but Saturn overtook Jupiter as planet with the most moons in 2019. Even today, new moons are being discovered, so this number may change slightly. Which two planets have no moons at all? The answer is Mercury and Venus. Those two planets have no moons at all. Number 10. Which planets have the most visible rings? The most prominent and even most famous planetary rings in the solar system are those around Saturn, but the other three giant planets, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune, also have ring systems. This naturally answers our next question. The planets that have rings other than Saturn are Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. We only have 3 questions left, so let's keep up the hard work. Number 12. Which other planets have a rocky surface? Number 13. Which planets are made of gas? Planets are commonly divided into 2 types, terrestrials and gas giants. The planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are called terrestrial because they have compact rocky surfaces like Earth. The terrestrial planets are the 4 innermost planets in our solar system. A gas giant is a large planet composed mostly of gases, such as hydrogen, helium, with a relatively small rocky core. The gas giants of our solar system are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, which are the outermost 4 planets. And finally, number 14, which planets are visible without a telescope? Although there are 4 blanks here, there are 5 planets visible from Earth without a telescope: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. That brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you learned something new about our solar system from this lesson. Make sure to check out other science videos that our club has prepared. Thank you for watching.